am from the Oz Squad channel, and today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. My name is Danny, of course you know because I did 9 other videos, and also I have foundation, and you can't just get this one because you have to get your dots. You can't miss a spot. Beauty is pain, my mom says. Okay, now I forgot to put on the lotion, but whatever. And then we put this stuff in, and it's called foundation? No. Bronzer. Powder. Okay, we have this much more. This I already put the blush on, so this actually it looks kind of. We'll just blend that in with some. Nobody. Actually, somebody went like this for a Halloween costume. So thanks, somebody who I don't know. Now next is my mama. Ready, Mama?
No.
Yes.
You just keep doing your eyeshadows.
I'm done. Oh, ready?
And your final makeup routine. Look at the camera. Alright.
Not my
Say,
turn.
no, say goodbye to everybody. Thank you for watching.
Bye.